Hello everyone, my name is Lee Martin and I'd like to welcome you today to our Steiner web seminar whereby I'll be discussing the new products for 2020 for home and garden. New intelligent lights and sensors for indoor and outdoor applications, the lighting solutions from Steiner to illuminate every house. So our new up and down downlight in a contemporary design in the L930 LED. So we have an up and down downlight with an ambient light function and soft light start. The sensor is almost invisible in that this is the same colour as the housing of the unit. Several lights can be networked and interconnected via cable, and this unit complies with the new Luminaires EU directive coming in from 2021. So let's take a look at some of the key features of the L930. So you have a relatively low output of 9 watts with a lumen output of just over 600 lumens, with a lumen to watt ratio of 67 lumens per watt. The unit comes in a warm white colour 3000 temperature, and the sensor is the same colour as the housing of the unit. We have a 4-hour manual override available, and we have the easily adjustments made via the dip switches found on the back of the device. So we now take a look at our X Solar Solo HM, our new solar light with house number and personalisation. An illuminated house number for more safety, a wireless solar light for 360 days of light per year, no cabling required, 0% energy costs based on the solar function and storing the energy within the integrated battery, and the light switches on automatically at dusk. Some of the key features: it's a very low output of 0.07 watts and a nice output of just 7 lumens, enough to illuminate the door sign attached to the unit. Again, with a nice warmly colour temperature, 3000 Kelvin. We have high quality aluminium housing, and included is the house number sheet to choose from based on your number you need. Now we take a look at the IR180, the retrofit surface mounted sensor with IP54 protection. Just an easy replacement of existing switches, and it's a sensor switch that can be used for either 2 or 3 wire installation, and it's suitable for all LED lamps. We have a push button for manual switching of the lights on or off, and we have a protection class for IP54, allowing this to be used internally and externally. So let's take a look at some of the key facts. So within the IR180, we have 180 degree detection. We have an 8 meter maximum reach for movements across the sensor. We have 2 and 3 wiring possible. We have a twilight setting from 2 to 1000 lux, and we have an incorporated teach mode to be able to record the light value at the time of day when that button is pushed. We have IP54 protection, and we have a time delay setting from 5 seconds up to 30 minutes. We have the L620 cam, the upgrade from the L600, even better and even safer. We have a full HD camera. We have an improved larger camera angle up from 120 degrees to 180 degrees. We have swiveling adjustable camera up to 90 degrees adjustment, and we have increased the memory card capacity to 16 gigabytes, and the lumen output just over 1100. We now have the Bluetooth connected home products. With a cross-product Bluetooth interconnection, we are able to provide safety and comfort for all home users. We can have staging of house lamps, or garden lights. We can individually create our own lighting scenarios, and we have the interconnection of several products across the range. We also now have the XLED Home 2 Connect, one of our best-selling floodlights, now incorporating the Bluetooth technology. So networking of the floodlights can be done via Bluetooth, and networking to other Bluetooth devices within our portfolio. We have the digital setting of time and twilight value via the app. The unit now comes in a 3000 Kelvin warm white. We have a fully swiveling LED panel and an increased sensor detection from 140 degrees to now 180 degrees. We use a high conductive magnesium composite cooling system, which keeps the design nice and slimline and takes the heat away from the LED chips in a more smoothly fashion. Simply set and connect via the app. This is an overview of our Bluetooth connected lighting products from our Cubic series, from the GL80 to the L840, providing different light outputs where required. We have the L800 series, and we have the XLED Spot series, whether it's a single spot, a duo spot, a pathway spot, or a spike light spot garden. And now, with the XLED Home 2 Connect, we can complete the range. As an extension to the range of our spot products, we now have the Spotway manual. This is just for purely simply switching on and off. We have a warm white color temperature output of 3000 Kelvin and a lumen output of over 520 lumens. This now gives us the completion of the spot family. We can see in the chart shown, we have the single, the double, pathway, and the spike, and we have the products to suit that, whether it's in a Bluetooth Connect version, a standalone sensor version, or just a manual light switch version. What's coming next? So what's coming in 2021? We have the L22 Nightmatic. This is based more popularly on our L22 sensor version, but now with the additional function of dusk till dawn. We have it in a nice anthracite colouring, and it has an E27 socket available to take up to 60 watts. And the unit simply switches on and off depending on brightness. The lux value can be adjusted by the included potentiometer. We then have the LS150 LED manual, so a 20 watt floodlight without sensor, 1700 lumen output at 4000 Kelvin in cool white, available in both white and black, with a protection class for IP44. And new to the range as well is the LS300 LED, a 30 watt LED sensor floodlight based on our most popular HS300. We have 3000 lumens of output, again in 4000 Kelvin. Incorporated is a 240 degree PIR with a 12 meter reach. Like with the LS150, this is also available in white and black and has a protection class of IP44. With the Starnell dialogue days, you are able to create your own schedule and choose from one of the 20 different sessions available. Whether this is for the hotel industry, the saving potentials up to the ceilings for warehouse applications, or the sensor technology for good learning conditions. Thank you for your time. Now it's your turn to ask any questions you may have from today's webinar. Please feel free to ask your question in the live chat, and we will answer these as best as we can for you. Thank you again for your time and your questions. Please do not hesitate to get in touch with us in the UK. We can help you from relux planning in selecting which sensors to use where. We can assist you in site visits from one of our project sales managers, or even if you're wanting information from us in regards to our ProLog, our unique device that can calculate the energy savings that could be made by the implementation of lighting controls to the building. Thank you once again for your time and attendance, and we wish you a great day.